दुबई के रियल एस्टेट मार्केट में होगा अब सोना ही सोना। जी नहीं, हम बात कर रहे हैं फिजिकल गोल्ड की नहीं, हम बात कर रहे हैं गोल्ड मेट्रो लाइन की। हाँ, और ये गोल्ड मेट्रो लाइन होगी फ्यूचर ऑफ कनेक्टिविटी बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द लार्जेस्ट ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट। इट इज गोइंग टू बी 42 kilometers long, that is the total line length, and if I talk about, this is going to be the longest underground metro channel with 8 metro stations, and we would be having 465,000 daily metro riders by 2040. And what opportunities it is giving to real estate is getting more appreciation and in the locations where these metro stations are going to come. So if I talk about this metro line, it will be starting from Al Gubeba, wherein we are going to have an intersection between the green and the gold metro line, and then it will be running all together towards Business Bay, from there to Maidan and then to Dubai South. Now I'm going to tell you what opportunities we as investors are having due to this gold metro line. So let me talk about from prominent metro stations. So we'll be having Al Maktoum metro station. So you all know that this is the world's largest future airport where it is going to come. And then Expo City Dubai. So you all know innovation and business hub. So we'll be having many opportunities over here. Commercial business activities going to have. And then we are having the Dubai Investment Park, DIP. If I talk about, it's already started getting freehold. So we have a lot of good ROI which going to become in this particular region. And then Discovery Gardens, one of the very renowned locations in Dubai. So this location will also help us in having more chances of affordable luxury segment. Then let's talk about Ibn Battuta. Yes, Ibn Battuta is also a very good prominent commercial hub wherein we will be having retail and lifestyle corridor. And then Jebel Ali, as you all know, this is the area wherein we are going to have double the Palm Jumeirah going to come in future. So you will be having free zone and port proximity for this particular location. So this is somewhat kind of structure which we feel will be coming in the near future underground. So why you should invest right now? We have a lot of projects coming in very good particular segment of 1.1 to 2 million dirhams with a very good approximate per square feet price of 1000 dirhams. So these all investment will for sure help you in getting more proximity to metro, strong returns, property value for sure increase if the connectivity will increase, accessibility and demand since metro station will be coming over there. So the people want to live near to these metro stations. So what you have to do then? Right now we do have multiple opportunities with tier 1 developers over here. So for more details, let us know in comment section. Write gold in comment section and we'll get back to you with some of the very good opportunities right now.